Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss about some of the questions from the chapter Structure of Atom. This chapter is under CBSE Standard 9 syllabus. So here these are the question answers from the page number 47. The first question is, what are canal rays? So here you can write answer like this. They were protons and they were rays generated through the proton particles. So this is how we can frame our answer, that scientist Goldstein discovered the presence of new radiation in gas discharge. The rays were positively charged. You can here add that they were protons. He named them canal rays, and these rays were generated through a gas discharge, so the name given to them were canal rays. They were protons. Second question, if an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not? Now, when any atom will carry a charge? If there is an imbalance in proton and electron, if there are more protons, equivalent amount of proton, the atom will carry positive charge. If atom has more electrons compared to proton, then equivalent amount of that atom will carry negative charge. Why? Because protons are positively charged particle, whereas electrons are negatively charged particle. So if protons are more, then atom will be positive. If electrons are more, proton will be negative. But here atom contains one electron and one proton. That means it has -1 charge from electron and +1 charge from proton. So -1 + 1, they both will nullify each other's effect of charge. So the unit charge of atom will be 0, because here -1 is there and here +1 is there. So unit charge on atom will be 0 and atom will be neutral. So how we will frame our answer? Protons are positively charged particle, whereas electrons are negatively charged particle. So one electron equals to -1 charge and one proton equals to +1 charge will nullify each other's effect and atom will be neutral. This is important. So that is how we will frame our answer. In exam, this question can be twisted like, if atom contains 2 electrons and atom has 1 proton, then what will be the charge on atom? Then it has -2 charge from electron and it has +1 charge from proton. So we have -1 extra here. So atom will be -1. So minus will be the charge, -1 will be the charge on atom. Similarly, if it has 2 protons and 1 electron, then what will be the charge in that case? Here from 1 electron we will get -1 charge and from 2 proton we will get +2 charge. So -1 + 1 will nullify, but one more charge will be there and that will be +1. So in that case atom will carry +1 charge. So that is how we will calculate it. But here in this question both numbers are same. 1 electron, 1 proton. So even if it is 2 electron, 2 proton, 3 electron, 3 proton, when they both are same, they will nullify each other's effect and atom will be neutral. Which one is greater in amount will give a charge on atom. So these were the questions from the page number 47. I'll see you in next video with some more questions. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.